Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make maths division. We'll start by understanding the fundamental concept of division, which is essentially splitting a whole into equal parts. You'll learn the four main components: the dividend, the divisor, the quotient, and the remainder. This foundational knowledge is crucial for tackling any division problem effectively. Next, let's explore the core techniques for performing division. We'll cover repeated subtraction, which builds a strong conceptual understanding. Then, we'll move to short division, a quick method for single-digit divisors. Finally, we'll delve into long division, a powerful tool for handling more complex problems involving two or more digits, ensuring accuracy. Understanding remainders is a key part of division. A remainder is simply the amount that's left over when one number cannot be perfectly divided by another. We'll discuss how to interpret these remainders, whether they are expressed as a fraction, a decimal, or simply as a whole number. This ensures you fully grasp the outcome of every division. To truly master division, here are some practical tips. First, strengthen your multiplication tables. They are the backbone of quick division. Second, always estimate your answer before solving to ensure your final result is reasonable. Finally, consistent practice with diverse problems, from simple to complex, will significantly boost your speed and accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.